Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm John and Carrie, uh, and we're Okie Bayou Outdoors. Today we got another video for you, and Miss Carrie is going to be making her cookies. Her cookies that she made, one of them I have never seen anybody ever make, and she made them for the holidays for everybody, and they were just the most amazing cookies. So we want to do a video, a short little video on two kinds of cookies that she makes, and that maybe she can explain all the ingredients and everything, so maybe somebody out there also can make these cookies. Um, anyway, we're gonna move to the kitchen, and we will get back to you here in just a little bit.
Alright folks, so we're coming back to you now. So I've decided to go ahead and make my cookies. They're actually called peanut butter and jelly cookies. And I made them for Christmas this year and gave them out for hors d'oeuvres and desserts and stuff like that for parties and stuff. So this is what I've come up with. It's a basic peanut butter cookie. You're going to take 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm gonna make a double batch. My daughter, um, she decided she didn't quite like the strawberry jelly that I put on them, so I'm gonna make her some grape ones. Okay, and that's about 1 cup of peanut butter here. I have it almost done. You see, I put it in there just like that. So I'm gonna put it in my bowl. There we go. To that 1 cup of peanut butter, I'm gonna add 1 egg. 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, and 1 cup of sugar. And I call this my Aunt Trish's peanut butter cookie recipe. Growing up, she always made us peanut butter cookies. Anytime all of the cousins all got together at her house. Peanut butter cookies was my brother's favorite kind of cookie that she made. So I just took a recipe and I kept it so that way I was able to make it. And that's it. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to incorporate all this together. We're going to stir it together. Just like that right there. Okay, we're going to set our temperature of our oven to 350 and let it start preheating while we do the others. So we're going to start it at 350 here. And I've already got my cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that we've got this incorporated. And then I'm going to get a small scooper. My cookie scooper. And I'm going to do this. Go ahead and roll it out like that. Give it a good toss around. Ooh, it's a little sticky yet. Let's go ahead and add just a little bit more sugar so that we can get it to roll around. Here we go. We'll get us some. Boom. We'll put some sugar on the bottom of it. This is just so it won't stick to your hands so much. Let's drop it in there. Roll it, give it a roll around a little, just like that. Then you're able to actually ball it up. You're going to take this ball and you're going to put it down there, just like you would. So we're going to continue this all the way. This isn't working too well. I didn't really want to get my hands in it, but and then I will do this here and I'll continue to roll all of this out, and once I get it put out on my cookie sheet, I'll get back to you guys as soon as I'm getting ready to top it with my jellies. I'll be right back. Alright folks, so this is what we did. I went ahead and just scooped them out. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to use the peanut butter as like a thumbprint, like you would see, or make thumbprints if you know what a thumbprint cookie is. Basically you just take it, you do an indent in it, and then you put your jelly in there. I use this. I dip it in the sugar so that it doesn't stick, and then I do my indent, just like that. And I do all my cookies like this. And I just get that little indent in there. Just enough to be able to hold just a little bit of jelly. Just like that. That one looks good. Let's do this one here. You see how I'm kind of just patting it? I pat it in my sugar just so my spoon doesn't stick to my actual cookie dough. And by the way, I appreciate all you ladies tuning in to my last video that I made, my Devils on Horseback. I appreciate all the ladies tuning in. However, my husband has decided that tuning in to the ladies was a little too much. So this is what we're going to do here. We are married. We have been married for 10 years. He does have a wife. So now I have all that done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of stir this jelly up to make it to where I can let it drip off the end of my spoon. And I'm just going to fill the cavity up just like that. Drip off the end of my spoon. Just as if you would a thumbprint. Except we use peanut butter based and not the shortbread or a sugar cookie. So I'm going to do 6 of these strawberry and 6 of them grape jelly. Oh shoot.
What kind of jelly are you using?
This is just regular, any kind of jelly you want to use. That's strawberry jelly. Any kind of jelly, it doesn't matter. You can use apricot, you can use whatever. A lot of people like to use raspberry, just whatever flavor you want to use. I think this grape jelly is going to melt down just a little bit more than what the strawberry jelly would. So we'll see. I don't know. I haven't fixed these grape jelly ones, so we'll see. You'll see at the same time I'm seeing the results. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop these in the oven, 350 at 7 minutes. And I'll get back to you guys here in just a few minutes as soon as I take them out. Alright guys, here they are at 350 for about 7 minutes. I did check them. So what we want is we want them to be able to be firm up. They'll firm up, but you don't want them overdone. Otherwise they're just going to crumble and it's not going to be a cookie. So don't overcook them. But I did go ahead and leave them in for another couple of minutes. I said 7 minutes, but I left them in probably about 9 minutes. So I pulled them out. This is what it is. These are the ones with grape. You see how the grape held on here, and then the strawberry also held on. It didn't overflow the cookie or anything. So these are called peanut butter and jelly cookies.
Where'd that recipe come from?
This is my recipe.
You just made that up one day.
I did.
So who doesn't like peanut butter and jelly, right? So when you put it in a cookie, it's just another.
It's because you all the time are wanting a peanut butter sandwich. So with us running around, this is the easiest way I could give you a peanut butter sandwich. Just pop it in your mouth. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Like, subscribe.